Capital City Plaza.
This is the Capital City Plaza
parking ramp, and they have glass elevators.
They are.
Let's go ride them.
Let's see what we have. Dover Impulse.
Oh wow, rock, call it.
You know what's funny about that? Is why should be Dover traction?
They are.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at these. Let me get a look at it. Wow, look at that.
This is 10.
10.
Here we go.
Thyssenkrupp, here we go. They're Dover.
Watch out the window.
These are probably T4s. Let me push the button. Put on the 1, phone. Look at the other car. There's our friend, Mr. Security. That's a pretty epic elevator. Send that one to 8. That is a pretty epic elevator. Try to ride the other one.
Okay. Can you call it?
Did it leave yet?
Yep.
Let's see if this one comes now. Oh, yep. This is a good controller. Epic. Send up to 10. I'll watch the numbers going down. I want to get a view out the window now.
Yeah.
Let me stand way back here. Here we go. Look at this. Nice leveling. Now send it back down to 1. Again, I like these elevators. I want to watch the numbers going down.
Alright, I'll watch out the window again.
Here's your camera.
Here's a train.
The train. Here's a train.
Yeah, I could go out and watch it.
And
Let's see which train it is.
there's a train.
570. That's a new one.
That'll be it. Tinklebird says, a huge thank you to all our patrons.
The video's over.
But it doesn't have to be.
You can always watch more. And you know what to do.
Click the buttons. And don't forget to subscribe. And light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.